I'm walking here in Rome in the midst of our Life and Letters of Paul study. We're on 2 Timothy chapter 4. Actually, this is a beautiful plaza. It's called the Piazza Navona, and it's 275 meters long, and it exactly follows the shape of Domitian's stadium. It's actually right above it, and 4.5 meters below us is Domitian's stadium. Paul uses this picture in 2 Timothy 4, verses 7 and 8, where he said, I fought the good fight, I finished what? The course, running all the way around. That's what the race was. Do you know what it was called back then? The agon, the agonizing race. And Paul said, I have run each agonizing lap for the Lord, and I finished the course. Domitian, of course, you remember, is the one who exiled the Apostle John to Patmos. His brother is the one that destroyed Jerusalem and killed all of the Jews. His father, Vespasian, is the one who built the Colosseum. But Domitian, we remember as the persecuting emperor. And Paul said, despite persecution, despite the hardship, I've finished the course. Henceforth is laid up for me the crown, which the righteous judge will give me on that day. That's an introduction to 2 Timothy chapter 4. I hope you'll join our study.